सीट हिल दीजिए सर। अभी तो मैंने ओपनिंग नहीं किया सर। इंडिया नीड्स टू कनेक्ट द वैल्यूज ऑफ द पास्ट। यू टॉक अबाउट सरदार पटेल जी, बट यू डिस्ट्रॉय सरदार पटेल जी's values every day. You talk about Ambedkar ji, you destroy his values every day. You talk about Nehru ji, no, you don't talk about Nehru ji. Before the elections, all of you were saying 400 par, and you were saying you would change this. And then I was glad to see that the Prime Minister walked in and then was forced to bow his head in front of the Constitution. No force will dare touch this. Constitution में कहीं नहीं लिखा है कि मोनोपोली होनी चाहिए, पेपर लीक होना चाहिए, क्रिमिनल होना चाहिए। ये Constitution में कहाँ लिखा है कि जो बलात्कार करते हैं वो बाहर रहे, और जिसका रेप हुआ है, जिसके परिवार को बंद कर दिया जाए? कहाँ लिखा है Constitution में? ये आपकी किताब में लिखा हुआ है, मनुस्मृति में लिखा है, Constitution में नहीं लिखा। Political equality खत्म हो गई है, हिंदुस्तान के सारे इंस्टीट्यूशंस कैप्चर कर लिए गए हैं, सोशल इक्वालिटी नहीं रही, फाइनेंशियल इकोनॉमिक इक्वालिटी नहीं रही। I apologize for disturbing your peace of mind. If you had listened to me here, you would not have lost those 5 planes. The Indian Air Force made no mistake. The mistake was made by the political leadership that said you cannot attack the military infrastructure. The goal of this exercise was to protect the Prime Minister's image. Because he has the blood of the people of Pahalgam on his hand, if he has the courage of Indira Gandhi, let him say here that Donald Trump, you're a liar. 50% होगा तो बोल देगा. Prime Minister has not said how dare Mr. Trump invite Mr. Muni to his office, and we cannot afford a Prime Minister who does not have the courage to use the army the way it has to be used. So the Prime Minister, the nation is above your image, above